Okay, the dollars on it made a bearish divergence on the stochastic, and the stochastic has hooked over, and even with this up action here, the stochastic has not crossed back up to the upside. So I think there's a good chance that the dollar is making a lower high here. And again, this is on a parabolic sell signal, and I have seen these where it looks like it puts in the parabolic cell and then it goes up like the dollar is right now, and it looks like it's going to go up. And this parabolic, just when it's on a sell signal, sometimes that's the lower high coming in. Now it could go, the dollar could go up and make a double top, but that'd be on a stochastic bearish divergence, and I still think the dollar's right at a high. And again, some of that, what I'm basing that on is how gold looks, and I just don't think that I think they're going to trade opposite each other. Sometimes they kind of go together, but could be wrong. Could be wrong. Let's see what we got here. Gold, gold, gold. Okay. Again, I think this is just a bull market swing, and this is just a correction here. Classic head and shoulders bottom. Here was resistance on this peak. It hit resistance, and it's pulled back a couple weeks. I mean, that's just classic. It's just testing the breakout, and again, this is kind of a swing up and probably a 50% retracement if you're looking at Fibonacci. I just think when gold breaks this high, it's gonna run 1165, 1170 right in there. I think this gold is going to take off, and it's on a parabolic buy signal. The trend is up. I think gold looks good to the upside. Our old friend cotton. Doggone that cotton. My mom used to pick cotton down south in the fields. Those were the old days, though. God, she couldn't even do it now. But anyway, okay, cotton is making a little bit of a bearish divergence, but I still don't think that means too much in the uptrend. It's on a parabolic buy, and I just basically look at this as like a break. The cotton broke through this high, came up here, came back down and kind of tested the breakout, and I think it's just breaking out again. I think cotton's heading higher. So I'm going to wrap this up.